Today we're going to learn about Elif, a little girl who lives in Turkey. She's 4 years old and her favourite thing in the whole world is getting gifts. Gifts usually come inside nice wrapping paper. You just have to open the wrapper to know what the gift is. It can be anything. Now it's your turn to get a gift. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
I think the teacher said we have to open the wrapping to see what the gift is.
Let's open it! Let's open it! Open it! Open! It won't listen to me!
Maybe you have to ask it nicely. Mr. Gift, would you open, please?
Hello? Is Mr. Gift in there? Maybe he's not there. Or maybe the batteries ran out.
Ball!
How do you open the wrapper?
You can rip it open!
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
The gift is a box.
No, Ho-Ho. The gift must be inside the box.
Oh.
What's inside?
There's a big red button.
And an alarm clock!
There's also a piece of paper.
To receive your gift, you have to push the red button when the alarm clock rings.
But I want the gift now! Let's push the button now!
But if we push it before the alarm clock rings, something bad might happen.
Or something good.
We're not going to push it now. It says we have to wait for the alarm clock to ring.
It rings.
Stay away from that button. Back off. Nobody's pushing that button until the alarm clock rings.
Haha.
I'm the oldest, and I won't let you.
Haha.
What?
That box is moving.
You must have imagined it, Hehe. Boxes don't walk by themselves. Stay back!
I think I found the button.
Oh, push it!
Nothing's happening.
Push it harder!
Get out of there!
We can push the button.
We'll all push it at the same time. on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Gosh, what happened?
Wow!
The gift is
A party! Super cool! Nice going! Great job!
You did it! You got a gift!
Now you know what it's like to get a gift! Congratulations!
Hi, Momonsters!
Hi, Dee!
Today we're going to learn about Lucas, a little boy who lives in France. He's 8 years old and his favourite thing in the whole world is bread. There are lots of types of bread: white bread, baguette, hamburger buns. And with each type of bread, you can make something different and delicious to eat. Now it's your turn to make something delicious with bread. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
Look at all that bread!
I think the teacher said that with each bread, you can make something different to eat.
How do we make something to eat?
Look at the cookbook!
Yeah, the cookbook explains how.
Great bread recipes.
Open it! Open it!
Breadsticks are perfect for spreading creams, sauces, and pate.
What was that?
My stomach. I'm starving.
Don't worry, we're going to make breadsticks real fast. Gosh, I'm really sorry.
That's okay, Hihi. It was an accident. Ho-ho, hoo-hoo. Take care of the breadsticks, please.
Okay.
Hihi, hee-hee. Let's look for something to spread on the breadsticks.
Super cool! I found tomato sauce!
I found cream cheese.
And I found some lint.
Wait, look here of all the breadsticks!
White bread can be used to make a sandwich with ham, cheese, lettuce, and many other ingredients.
Was that your stomach?
I'm very, very hungry. Let's make the sandwiches. Some lettuce, a slice of tomato,
A slice of ham, a slice of cheese,
A slice of turkey, a spinach leaf,
clove of garlic, half a banana.
Boy!
I'm going to make the biggest sandwich of all time.
We'll see about that. Because mine's going to be super gigantic. A slice of turkey, a spinach leaf, a slice of turkey, a spinach leaf, a slice of turkey.
A piece of melon, half an apple, a slice of pepper, a mushroom. A piece of melon, half an apple, a slice of pepper, a mushroom. A piece of melon, half an apple.
Maybe you two should stop.
A piece of melon.
A spinach leaf.
Uh-oh.
a slice of
Timber! Was that her stomach?
I don't think so. I told you to stop.
Huh? Ha ha.
What? We've got something for you.
Yeah, we made it all together.
It's called pan tomaca.
Ta-da!
Huh? You rub half of a tomato on the bread.
Then you add a little salt.
And finally drizzle it with olive oil.
No, boy.
Are you still angry?
No, it's my stomach. I'm very, very, very hungry. It's delicious. Nice going, great job.
You did it! You made something delicious to eat with bread.